Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking beauty salon Facebook story for your business or your personal Facebook account. Go to the search bar in Canva and type in Beauty Salon, or you can search for Beauty Facebook Story. Canva will suggest the best templates. Now go to the CL option and you'll see the available choices. You can easily modify them to create your own Facebook story. Let's go with this one. If you don't like any of them, just browse more to find templates that fit your needs and customize the template. Now I have full access to modify whatever I want in this template. So, if I want to customize this text, these are the available options for text customization. Feel free to try them out. So that covers text customization. Now, if you want to replace images or change the background, you can just select the background and go to the background color. You can easily add any background you like and adjust it as needed. Now, if you want to replace the image in the template, you can simply upload from your computer. Once uploaded, your image will appear here. Just drag and drop it, and maybe add a bit of transparency. Now you can see I can easily modify anything I want. Add my branding colors, my own logo, and more. When you're finished with all the changes and have included your details, then, to download it, rename your file and go to the Share Download option. Download it in PNG or any other available format you prefer. Just download it, and within a few minutes, your beauty salon Facebook story will be ready.